school electricity. This is the best. I think I will. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I am still so happy. So this is I just did a video of trying this new outfit, and one friend said, "Oh, I can see how happy you are, and how happy an outfit can make you. Just the right outfit can make you happy." Yes, we can be very happy with something so simple like a new outfit. Not even because it's expensive, it's inexpensive. It has nothing to do with price. It's just so very comfortable. So this one is from Lentico. I have some linen clothes from them. The same company, Lentico. They do a lot of linen clothes, and now they are producing some new products or use new materials. So this one is Lentico, natural healing power, and this is a dress. I was thinking this must be linen or something because it feels silky, it feels a natural fiber, but it is not. This one is called Tencel, Tencel. So this fabric is made from eucalyptus trees. They dissolve or they boil the tree, I mean the wood chip, and then reconstruct it and extrude or use the wood fiber and blend them together to make this. So this one is woven, I think. This is knitted, or do we call it knitted or woven? It's not a normal fabric, up, down, up, down, up, down fabric by shuffle, or maybe by shuttle also. But it's so elastic and very breathable, very comfortable. I think many years ago, about 30, 40 years ago, I sell fabric. I do import-export. We export Chinese fabric. We buy Japanese, Korean fabric and import to China. And so I learned a lot about polyester, silk, fabric, not because I buy silk from Korea. It's we sell silk from China to Korea, to Japan, to Italy. A lot of silk actually was even the big brand Italian silk. They buy raw silk fabric from China, and then do the final finishing. For example, stretching, burning. Silk is burned. Can you imagine? They put some fire to burn out some extra dust or fiber. It's a very interesting science. So this one is made of natural trees, and particularly I do not smell eucalyptus trees. They say eucalyptus trees. I do not know exactly what tree it is, and cut into wood chip. It's a little bit like paper making. You have a big chunk tree, and then cut into small pieces, and then use a kind of industrial blender, blend it into very small, and then boil it. When the tree is all boiled, they start to blend again, and the tree become like our soup potage. It's kind of potage soup. It's kind of a sticky, creamy soup, and then use filter to filter out the water and the pulp left, and the pulp will make into paper. But this fabric, they will use that pulp and then thread it, or whichever way they make it, to make into this. And so one of the good thing is that it's environmental reclaim natural resource, and use eucalyptus trees, which is easy to grow, does not consume a lot of water, but mostly it's just so cool, this clothes, and it feels so soft. And this one is single layer or lightweight, and this one is heavyweight or medium weight. So one side you can see it is woven and so stretchy, and this side is kind of a backing like velvet. Oh my. Okay, we should do a macro lens. How about it? That would be so cool. So you can see, can you? Yes, this is one side, this is the back side. It's very much like our jersey, right? The bulle, pullover. Is that pullover? Right? It's the gym clothes, or the students or the young kids. You wear something with hoodie. What do we call it? Yeah, that kind of jacket. This is that side, and this is the front side. You stretch this way, it becomes like this. You stretch this way, it opens up. And this is the back side. Feels so soft. Oh my goodness. Okay, macro lens. Whoa, look at it. Whoa. Little shiny, glittering fiber. Now let's see this side. And there's no wrinkle. No wrinkle. And this is so good for traveling. And also, the best thing, there is no static electricity in it. It does not stick to your clothes. You know, when you wear dress with legging, and then the legging will, and the dress stick together, it's very uncomfortable. I don't know, man, you do not know it, but woman, you know, right? In winter time, you wear a dress, and then the static get your legging, your legging, or what do we call it, the short, the pants, stick together, very uncomfortable. But this one does not have that problem. And another thing, they are quite easy to dye, and they do not dye. And Dumb ways to die, so many ways to die. Ways to die, so many ways to die. But this one is very easy to dye, D-I-E, D-Y-E. And the color usually kind of a muted color, pastel color, which is perfect for a fall, autumn, this kind of warm color. You can also make it kind of a misty blue and soft violet, mauve, purple. That kind of color make it springy and early springy, dreamy springy. And this one is a fall, warm color. I like it. Now you will see I try it on, okay? Oop-de-doo, a little bit late again. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So today we will do an outfit of the day. Yesterday I did the same clothes, and I like it very much. And I thought it was made of linen, because the company Lentico, they have a lot of linen products. And then I searched. Actually, this one is made of Tencel. And one of the good thing about this Tencel, it does not stick to your clothes. Let's have a try. So I usually do not wear legging. It's because when you have legging and the dress, it stick together, the static, it's really very, very unpleasant, and it looks not good. But this one, see, there is no, a little bit maybe, but almost no, it flows very easily. If I wear something like wool, if you have a wool dress, it's just stuck to your inner wear, so inner garments. But this one, oh, it's so good. I like it. Okay, one friend suggested wearing a big bulky shoes. Let's give it a try. Show up. Stretch down. Stretch down. Anyway, you get the idea. Now you can see it's so it really does not have I feel so good. And there is no static electricity. So easy to move. And there are layers of neck, but it's quite a wide opening, If you feel cold, you can do this when there's wind, but otherwise you can leave it just like that. It's very comfortable. Oh my goodness, this makes me so happy, so happy, so happy. I'm so silly, so happy. Okay, let's try the other one. Okay, let's see this one, and it's very, very comfortable. It's true, there's no static, and there's see how much stretch it is. How much stretch it is. It's so very comfortable, and you can put a scarf in the middle. Or just like that, put it here. Okay, just simple enough. If you feel your neck is full, it's so very comfortable. I think this one is medium weight, and the other one is lightweight. I can feel it's so much warmer and really comfortable. Really comfortable. And there's no static. Electricity. This is the best. I think I will get rid of the one, my old dress that has a static electricity. I'll keep this one. I have my leggings. So, see? And this is nylon legging. There's a lot of electricity. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo, bye, bye.